Hello, I'm Frank, and welcome to Storytime. This is a story about making dumplings. In their cosy home in Wellington, sisters Jean and Joy were folding dumplings with Mum and Grandma Pawpaw. Pawpaw had made the fillings from chopped pork, prawns and vegetables, mixed all together with delicious flavours. Mum had made a dough with flour and water, rolling it out into thin circles called wrappers. Jean and Joy each put a spoonful of filling into a wrapper. Jean folded her wrapper around the filling, sticking out her tongue in concentration as she folded little pleats. But try as she might, the filling keeps spilling out of the wrapper. Joy folded her dumpling like a blanket, lining up the corners and folding it in half and half again. She scrunched and mashed the wrappers together, but it got stickier and stickier. "How do you do it so well?" exclaimed Jean, looking at Pawpaw's row of neatly folded dumplings. "Can you show us, Mum?" said Joy, watching Mum's quick fingers fold one after the other. Pawpaw laughed and took Jean's dumplings. "The secret is just to use the right amount of filling," she said, helping Jean to try again. "It takes a little bit of practice to get the folds just right," said Mum, slowing down to show them. The girls had a lot of fun that afternoon, practicing how to fold dumplings in different shapes and designs. And when Mum cooked all the dumplings for lunch, they tasted extra delicious because of all the hard work and love that went into making dumplings. The end.